All right, so coming live from the dump site, as you guys probably saw, like getting rid of a bunch of stuff that was all left in that lady's house. So a ton of stuff going around. You can see everybody else getting rid of their stuff. So yeah, so I always tell people, man, this is like the unglamorous side of real estate. Like, so you got to do a lot of stuff on your own, especially when you first start out. So luckily, my guy Kevin here, so you see right now, guys sweep the truck out. And this is not the last time we're going to have to do this. So we're going to have to come do this again, where we come back to the dump site, dump a bunch of stuff that was in that old house. So as you see how much stuff that was all just from the garage. So be back soon. But yeah, real estate, this is the part they don't tell you about in the seminars. All right.